Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to go ahead, open up your Monopoly Go app, and then when you go to this friends section, you will find this option of contact, Facebook, and invite. You can tap on this invite option, and now once you do that, this is how the invite bar is gonna look like. So if you invite one person, this will simply start filling like that. Is inviting people, then the bar will start filling. So you can see, so you have to simply invite 10 friends over here. So I've invited one, so it's filling right over there. Simply go ahead, tap on the invite. You can copy the link and you can paste the link to any other social platforms, so you can invite them once you have the, and then other way you can also do it from Facebook itself. Once you've invited 10 people, this will be filled, and that's how you do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.